Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding at media only screen and max width, 600px to your stylus sheet. This limits rules to small viewports. Once done, move the block below general styles so the cascade applies and mobile rules override defaults. Make sure to keep selectors as specific or slightly more specific than base declarations. You'll write compact, mobile-focused rules, hide non-essential elements, increase tap targets, and reduce margins. Then save and preview in your browser's device emulator at common widths to confirm immediate changes. Next, refine layout inside the same media block by switching multi-column grids to single-column flow. Set width, 100% or use flex direction, column to stack items. Also, scale typography, reduce font size a step or set fluid sizes, and increase line height for readability. Replace large images with smaller assets or use src set to serve lighter images. Once adjustments are in place, rerun interaction tests. Tap targets must be at least 44px. Keep iterating until layout and performance feel natural on small screens. Finally, finalize by testing across target widths and orientations. Use 375px and 425px emulations and rotate the device to catch quirks. Once done, inspect computed styles to locate specificity conflicts, instead of blanket. Important, increase selector specificity selectively. If updates don't show, clear caches and disable service workers to force fresh CSS loads. Troubleshooting tip. When a rule seems ignored, check for inline styles or higher specificity selectors. Fix those first, then retest to confirm the mobile rules apply as intended.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.